Have you ever wished you could build a website just by describing it in plain English? No coding, no dragging hundreds of elements around, just type what you want and watch it appear in seconds. That's exactly what V0 is trying to do. And after checking it out, I can definitely see why so many developers and designers are talking about it. So today, let's take a look at what V0 can actually do, how it works, and whether it's worth trying. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into AI tools that help you build things faster, you're going to like this one. Today, we're checking out V0 by Vercel, an AI-powered platform that helps you create websites, UI components, dashboards, landing pages, and even full web apps simply by chatting with AI. Let's jump in. The first thing you'll notice is how simple the interface is. Right in the center, there's just one question. What do you want to create? Instead of starting with a blank project, you simply describe what you want. For example, you could ask for a contact form, an image editor, a finance calculator, or even a mini game, and V0 starts generating the interface for you. If you're not sure where to begin, there are also plenty of templates covering landing pages, dashboards, components, apps, games, and much more. It's a really approachable way to start building without staring at an empty screen. What impressed me most is that V0 isn't just generating static mockups. It looks designed to help you move from an idea to something that's actually usable. For example, you can build applications directly from prompts, edit everything visually using design mode, synchronize projects with GitHub, deploy directly through Vercel, and integrate with a variety of popular tools and APIs. Another feature that stood out is the ability to create reusable design systems. Instead of rebuilding colors, typography, and UI styles every time, you can keep everything consistent across your projects. The platform also highlights Agentic by default, which means the AI isn't just answering questions, it can help plan tasks, connect pieces together, and assist throughout the building process. And if you like working on multiple devices, there's even an option to continue building from your phone. Overall, the workflow feels focused on helping you go from concept to working interface with fewer manual steps. One thing I really like is the community template library. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can browse projects created by other users. There are landing pages, creative portfolios, dashboards, games, photography templates, and lots of UI examples you can use as inspiration. Even if you're just exploring ideas, it's a great way to see what's possible before creating your own project. Now let's talk about pricing. According to the pricing page, there's a free plan available at $0 per month. It includes monthly credits, deployment to Vercel, design mode, GitHub synchronization, and a daily message limit, making it a good starting point if you simply want to explore the platform. If you're working with a team, there's the team plan at $30 per user per month, which adds collaboration features and shared billing. For larger workflows, there's a business plan at $100 per user per month, while organizations with more advanced requirements can choose the enterprise option with custom pricing. So whether you're just experimenting or collaborating with a bigger team, there are different options depending on your needs. Overall, V0 feels like a really interesting way to turn ideas into interfaces much faster. The combination of AI prompting, visual editing, templates, GitHub syncing, and one-click deployment makes the workflow feel smooth and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool videos, and let me know in the comments which platform you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.